Since the storm hasn't hit yet, we have to try and use as much time as possible outside before we have to be inside. We're out here at Lake Eola, shooting some footage with the drone, with the camera. Should be fun. This thing is so freaking cool.
Just closed the deal. Super excited. So her name is Senia. She cares so much, and so much so that she does a lot of different things. And that's her problem. She doesn't know how to present herself. She does everything from elderly care to professional services, like getting a chef to cook for somebody's party, all the way to dog sitting, right? And the one thing that she said, I've been on this roller coaster journey for a long time, but you get me. And we think the reason why she said that simply was because I listened. All I did was listen, and she felt like she was heard. And that makes a really big difference for people, not just in the marketing realm, but in any business realm. Listen. Listening is great.
Hey! We're trying out a new subscribe feature today. Down below, you're gonna see a button that says subscribe. Click on it, and it'll do this magical thing, such as subscribing to the channel. Try it out.